Find the LCD for rational expressions with polynomial denominators. So we're going to find the LCD for these two rational expressions, 16 divided by 7x, and then 9 divided by 7x plus 7. So the LCD stands for least common multiple. So this is the important part. We are going to be multiplying to manipulate these denominators so they're the same. So what we're going to do is we're going to write both of these denominators, and then we're going to expand these so we can see all of its parts. So we want to write this as factors. 7x is 7 times x. 7x plus 7 is a polynomial, so we're going to have to factor this out using our tools. So I could pull a 7 out of that whole expression, and I'm left with x plus 1. So the parentheses are going to be key here to finding least common denominators. What's common right now in both of these denominators is a 7. That's it. So the bottom denominator has an x plus 1, but that's in parentheses. So I can't magically add a plus 1 to the other expression. I need to keep that x plus 1 in parentheses as one entire quantity. So now both denominators will have in parentheses x plus 1. The other denominator on top has an x, which means on the bottom, this other denominator, I need to multiply an x by itself. Now, these are going to be the same. So our least common denominator is both of these because they're the same. So it's going to be 7 times x plus 1. This is how I would leave the answer. You can see that they're the same denominator. If you had to expand it, what you would end up with is 7x times x plus 1. And you can multiply that out. You get 7x squared plus 7x. Factored form is always going to be best because if there's something that you can simplify and reduce, you'll be able to see it more clearly.